Chapter 9, Weathering. Effects of weathering. Children, from the previous video, this was the only short topic that was left for discussion, the effects of the weathering. Now we already know that the decomposition and disintegration of the rocks, it brings quite a lot of changes on the earth's surface. Now these changes, it can both be constructive and it can be destructive as well. Constructive effects, it include that weathering will lead to the formation of the soil which is required for the agriculture. Only then the agriculture it is possible. Then the weathering process, it leads to the exposure of the new minerals. Like chemical weathering, it will give rise to many new minerals which have the high economic value. Now weathering, it provides the new kind of the landscape, the Kazakh topography. Now this is especially in the areas which have very high value of limestone in limestone deposits in it. So when it reacts with the water, then the new kind of the land formation it takes place. Then weathering may also provide the building materials like the cement and the limestone. Now what are the destructive effects of it? That it may cause extensive soil erosion, which can affect the agricultural output because much of the humus content that is contained in the top layer of the soil. Agriculturally, that soil is more beneficial. Then the landslides in the mountainous area, it can cause a huge amount of the destruction. The soil, it can be utterly damaged down over there. As it is a mountainous area, so the thin top layer of the soil is only present there. Then chemical weathering, it may dissolve the soluble components of the soil and it can lead the soil to become highly infertile, and then again it can affect the farming activities. This was the portion left.